This is our run test of a Southcon DC drive. We have hooked up our control potentiometer and we are going to control the speed of this DC drive, now that it's been repaired, and run it on a motor. We will go ahead and slow its speed by adjusting our potentiometer, and then go ahead and increase the speed. And here you can see we have our acceleration, deceleration velocity times minimum speed current limits, all set up from the control potentiometers here. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.